I don't know if you saw, I think I showed this to you actually.
Mm-hmm.
The Kanye West was spotted wearing Nike shoes. And he's, of course, got this really strong affiliation with Adidas and also the Yeezy brand.
Mm-hmm.
It's part of Adidas. And, well, just his relationship with brands in general. He got the Gap deal. Like, he's usually representing stuff that he's working on or affiliated with. So it's very rare to see him a pair of Nike shoes. He had a fallout with Nike anyway. He used to be with Nike.
Yes.
Remember those red ones? The early Yeezys? Were they called Yeezys at that point? I think so. But it was quite a different approach. Yeah, Air Yeezy 2 led to Kanye West's greatest success. The red one, I see every so often, I'll see that one. It's still worth a lot of money. So he was working with Nike and moved over, switched teams. So it's a bit odd to see him wearing Nike shoes very recently. But what else happened with this particular photos is you see that he's got a whole thing going on with the mask wear as well. Takes that up a notch. It's not your typical, that is not a typical medical mask.
No.
That he has going on there.
There's holes in it.
It looks like he has made it. I don't know if that's Jesus on there, but it's got holes poked in it where your eyes would be. None where the nose and mouth is by the looks of it. But I don't know if this is a new thing that's going to be sold under any of these brands or if it's exclusive to him, if it's a statement. The jacket is the new Gap jacket, by the way, that he's going to be part of their collab.
The grocery bag?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, well.
But you see the Nikes. Go back to the first picture. You see? So I don't know. What is that? What is that supposed to mean? Maybe if he has the mask on, it's not a breach of contract.
Yeah, that's not him.
Exactly. You got the wrong guy. They're like, but what about the jacket? The jacket's unreleased. You made it. He's like, never mind.
No, that's a grocery bag.
Never mind that jacket. So I don't know how noteworthy this is. This is probably more interesting because of the mask wear. Do you think
it's just really, it looks actually quite terrifying. Imagine seeing this guy on the street wearing that. And it's not Kanye.
Well, probably uncomfortable too, right?
Yeah.
The
holes aren't even like in his breathing space.
No, they're not. And you know what's funny about this is I almost feel like I would notice this person more, not less.
Right.
Like that mask is so intense that if they just had a regular mask on, I'd be more likely to walk past. Mm-hmm. This, I'm going to be like, who is that? This is so striking.
Yeah. There's got to be a celebrity or artist in there of some sort.
But I'm guessing as well, like we said, maybe there's more of a reason to it, like some contractual thing.
Right.
He's not. I don't know. Maybe we're being crazy. We're probably being crazy. Either way, there you go.
We're crazy. We're the crazy ones.
There's your Kanye. Yeah, we need those masks, Will. Mm-hmm. You need to be wearing that. You're gonna wear one of those on the show next time.
Sure. Get me one. I'll wear it.